Hi everyone, I'm Maria, the Finance and Consents Manager here at Waikato Sheds. So I'm going to run through the information that we require to be able to prepare the building consent for your shed. There can be a number of rules relating to your property imposed by council, including where on your property you can build and also the size of the shed that you're allowed. So it pays to chat with us or the council planning team early in the process. That way you'll avoid any surprises or potential delays further down the track. We need to complete a site plan to accompany your building consent application. To be able to do this, there's some information that we need from you. This includes the location of the boundaries and the entryway into your property, the location and name of all existing buildings which are currently on the property, including the size of each of those buildings, the location that the new shed is going to be going into, including 2 measurements from the shed to the boundary. And we also need to know the stormwater details for the new shed. If this is going to a tank, we'd need to know if that's a new or existing water tank, where the tank is located and also the size of that tank. We also need to know where the overflow from that tank is going. If it's going to soak holes, again we need to know the size and location of those soak holes, and occasionally you'll be required to get those soak holes designed by a plumber to make sure they're adequate size. The details need to be accurate. If you change your mind later on, it can cause delays as we'd need to lodge an amendment to the building consent, and that can slow things down. If you're also putting a bathroom into your shed, we'd need to get a basic bathroom plan done, which we can assist you with that. We also need to know the hot water system that you're going to be putting in the shed, including the make and model details. And you'd also need to get a stormwater and wastewater report prepared to accompany the application. We also need to get a signed authorisation from you. That's giving us permission to lodge the building consent on your behalf. You may also need to get a geotech report done. So this is when an engineer will come out and they drill boreholes into your soil and test the quality of your soil. And that lets them know if you've got good soil there or not, and it determines if we can use just a basic slab that we normally do, or if we need to get a design slab made for the shed, and we can assist you in the process of getting that done. Also, if the shed is going to be used for industrial or commercial purposes, you'll also need to get a lighting and electrical plan prepared by an electrician to accompany the application. And if there's any other questions, we can help you along the way in the process. So I'm Maria, thanks for watching. Hopefully you've found this informative and you've got a lot more information now. We're always here to help you with this or any other questions regarding your shed, and we hope to talk to you soon.